SEO for strip clubs is all about standing out in local and tourist searches for nightlife and adult entertainment. Success starts with local keyword research. Think terms like Las Vegas strip clubs, show schedules, or VIP bookings. Prioritize keywords that match what customers actually search and use local modifiers for better relevance. Optimize each club page by updating titles, descriptions, and content to highlight services, events, and unique experiences. Make sure every page has clear calls to action, fresh event details, and an easy booking path. With most visitors searching on mobile, fast load times and technical SEO are crucial. Compress images, use secure connections, and keep site structure clear. Structured data, like event schema, can boost visibility in search results by displaying dates and ticket links directly in Google. Safe, relevant link building, especially with local tourism sites, entertainment blogs, and hospitality partners, builds authority without risking penalties. For Las Vegas clubs, target both locals and tourists with geo-targeted landing pages, Google Business Profile updates, and consistent directory listings. Offline and online marketing should work together, using events, SMS, email, and partnerships with hotels or tours. Finally, always follow compliance guidelines for adult content by using tasteful language, age verification, and privacy-focused booking systems.